Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will share with you unboxing and first look of a new Kubey knife that I got. Like I mentioned, it has been a while in my previous videos when I unboxed another Kubey that I got. Kubey is releasing some really interesting, really nice knives, but usually they will give you lots of options, but none of them are brown canvas micarta or burlap micarta or any kind of micarta. So I just had not the interest of buying any, but this one, the model is Merced. It's the KU345E in tan or brown canvas micarta. So when I saw it, I definitely had to get one. And I always say I appreciate when companies are giving the maximum of the money towards the product and not towards the knife and not towards the extras like packaging and boxes, cases, challenge coins, microfiber cloth, patches, stickers. None of them is necessary. It is nice to have, but definitely costs money, and let's face it, there is nothing like free lunch. So even if you don't see the price tag, there is one. So I would wish more companies will only do plain basic packaging. I forgot to show you because obviously I had to measure the knife and inspect it, but Kubey will give you a really nice sealed bag, and in that way the knife is nicely protected in storage and travel until it arrives to your door. So this is the second design from Sherif Manganas. Hopefully I have not butchered his name. The previous one was the Ruckus. I have it here on the table, of course, and this one has some really interesting, nice lines to it. As you can see, this is your medium to large folder. The model number is KU345E. The over length is 21.3 centimeters or 8.4 inches. The blade is 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches. The blade width is 2.7 centimeters or 1.1 inch. The thickness is 2.5 millimeters or 0.1 inch. Hand length is 12.2 centimeters or 4.8 inches, with a thickness of 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches. It has some really nice ergonomics. The handle is styled to be as neutral as possible, so it will accommodate large and small hands without any problems. We have a nice functioning jimping on the top. The blade is made out of OS10 with a bead blasted and then blackwashed finish. As you can see right there, has a dark matte finish to it. Hopefully it is visible through the camera. We have a large skeletonization work going on the top part, which also functions as a finger hole opening method. Maker's mark, a logo on the one side, OS10, and also Kubey on the other side. This is what I say a Harpoon drop point profile with a nice functioning sharpening choil, which can also function as a small forward finger choil, but be careful because the edge is starting right at the point. You can see right there. On the handles, we have your standard brown canvas micarta. not nested liners, so full liners with nice skeletonizations going on to four-way deduction. A partial black G10 backspacer with an integrated finger mounting assembly or finger hole, lanyard hole. The pocket clip has really nice flush mounted screws. It is a deep carry style banded pocket clip with medium to light tension. Liner lock, caged ball bearing washers for the pivot assembly, and it flies open without any problem, so really nice and smooth. You can also use the, let me try to, yeah, definitely a nice fidget factor to this knife, because you have a couple of options you can use. Let's see the sharpness out of the box. Yeah, like all previous Kubey knives, definitely nice and sharp, but if you have your favorite strap with compound or ceramic stones, you can definitely give it a little better edge. There's also a nice design feature, but also functions to give you added traction, so nicely done. Now let's see the pocket profile. It will go inside the pocket without any problems, and let me show you how much it will be sticking out. So almost nothing, just maybe a half of a millimeter, so nice. So now the weight comes at 97.7 grams or 3.4 ounces. So let me check. This should be even lighter. Yes, it is 0.2 ounces lighter, or what is it? 435 grams lighter than the Ruckus. Here's the Kubey Ruckus for size comparisons. These are both Sherif Manganas designs, newer models that Kubey is offering in quite a few variants. So the Merced have on offer 8 variants, and Ruckus has 14. Okay, now let's see a few size comparisons with other knives I have here on the table. So here is the Tuna Fire or Free Tiger or Kesivo, whatever I like to call it, different names with different brand names. The model is FT956. When I'm talking about standard micarta, you know that I'm talking about this brown orangey looking one that is here also in the QSP Penguin, and also on the CVV Elementum used. Petrified Fish has used it on quite a few models. This is the Viking. There's also the Warrior. Bestech is also using this micarta, but here on the table today I have a different one. This is the Bestech Man Dundee with the really nice linen type brown micarta scales. And here is the Spyderco Paramilitary 2 in canvas micarta. QSP Raven, which is using the newer version of the dark brown burlap micarta. Is the CGRB feldspar full size one. Giant Mouse Ace Jutland or Jutland. Benchmade bug out. The Knife Center exclusive Red Model 1 in canvas micarta. And this is what I would probably say it is tan, or look like a creamy white. Spyderco Endura. Kaiserberg Lighter 2. Peanut from Rough Rider. And K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so now let's talk about the price a little bit. So these are priced at 70 US dollars on their website. I don't know if that is the MSRP or the standard price, but here in Europe, at my dealer, there were 42 euros. So at the time when I made the video, I could not find it on a US dealer website. That will probably change, and I will annotate in the description down below the price. So if you are looking at this video, probably you will see these available through different dealers. Okay, these are made in China, of course, and I probably mentioned it, but if you don't like the brown micarta, then Kubey has 8 different models available, mostly G10 different colors, and also blade finishes. But overall, I must say this is a really nice designed knife, and a little bit non-traditional as far as blade type goes. So if you are looking for something a little bit, let's say, spicy, not that traditional, then check out the Kubey Merced. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are subscribed, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon.